I-Series brush fire. Power and control come together when Excavator meets brush fire. Designed so the operator has a front seat for the action and ruggedly built for precision destruction. Motor options are available for flows from 24 to 70 gallons per minute. The integrated debris claw allows you to move obstacles out of the way. A 48-inch rotor and 62 hungry teeth mean the job will soon be done. A heavy-duty reinforced belt delivers the force from the motor to the rotor. Not only does this belt refuse to back down in the face of dense brush, it also offers protection from the shocks inherent in mulching. I-Series brush fires are available with aggressive carbide ripper teeth, perfect for areas plagued by rocks and debris. The tool holders are made of 1.5-inch carbon-hardened steel that is then welded to the rotor. Teeth are then bolted into place. This hungry combination is ready to tear up brush limb from limb.